Okay, well, we'll talk about damages afterwards, but I have some questions regarding what occurred. Okay, so first of all, this friend of a friend, do you know if that was it a private home?
It was a duplex.
A duplex, okay. And do you know if that friend owned the duplex or not?
I think they were renters in the home.
Okay, well, that's important because an owner is the one that's firstly responsible.
Hmm.
So we would actually be checking and finding out who the owner was, and that would be the person who would be first sued if there's fault. Uh, the other thing I was going to ask is what were you wearing when you went there on your feet?
My winter boots.
And what kind of soles are the winter boots?
Rubber soles. They're very good winter boots.
Okay, that's very good because one of the things that concern us is that you might have been wearing something that might have contributed to the accident. You were wearing leather soles, for example, that become slippery.
Yeah.
So it's good that you had rubber boots. Now, you said you slipped on the last stair. How many stairs were there?
About 4 or 5 going up into the duplex, but it was snow covered, so I was holding onto the railing.
Okay,
and
there was a railing.
There was a railing, but the snow hadn't been, shoveled off, so it was hard to see where the stairs were. Yeah.
Okay. When you fell, was there anybody there?
Just my friend, but she had already been at the bottom.
Did she see you fall?
Yeah, she was there.
Okay. Well, you'll give me your name later.
Mm-hmm.
Did you, by any chance, have an opportunity, or did you think of maybe taking pictures of the area?
My husband did a couple of days later.
That's good. Okay.
But the snow had been melted
All right. So
by then.
I'll want to look at those pictures.
Okay.
The thing that concerns me, of course, is fault. And what I want to stress upon you is that we have to find that somebody was at fault. You can't presume that because you fell, it's their fault. They're not really insurers for you. They're people that would be only liable if they're responsible. So one of the concerns that I would have is how long it took, how long the snow, for example, went. Do you remember how long it snowed?
Well, it started snowing around 7:30, and we left around 11:30.
All right, and did everybody know it was snowing?
Yeah.
And to your knowledge, did someone from the duplex go out and shovel the snow before you left?
I don't think so.
Did anyone offer to help you? Were you concerned when you were walking down the steps that it might be slippery? You were holding on the railing.
I was holding on the railing.
So other than that, you felt you were fine. So we're going to have to look into that. That's why I wanted the pictures. For example, we might have a situation where there'd be cement steps and then one wooden step, or vice versa, and that because of that, there might be ice.
Okay.
Maybe there was a carpet on the steps, for the snow to give you better traction.